Hey, guys, hope you all are living your best lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Consultant Mindset, which mainly provides consultancy and guidance for everyday living. Today's topic of our video is believing in yourself. Every success that has been done until now was only possible when people believed in themselves. No one can achieve anything unless he or she has confidence in them. Believing in oneself is the major key to success and achievements. Most of the time we are not capable of finding our true qualities and aptitude. It is not because we think we are not good enough. It is just because we think others are better than us. It is human nature to compare him/her with others. This is not the right thing. It ultimately develops jealousy and destroys the character of a person. I will give you some recommendations to overcome these situations. Before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us get straight into it. Surround yourself with positivity. This is one of the major reasons behind a morally boosted man. When you surround yourself with positive things, it eventually instills cationic properties in person. We radiate what we absorb. People with short temper and anger issues are the result of a negative environment. It is proven from science as well that kids are more inclined to have a short temper when they are being put in an aggressive environment. They tend to adopt that atmosphere. And it influences their kids in a very bad way. It is just as if you think positively, then you will attract positivity. But if you keep thinking about the negative scenarios, then you will always end up attracting them. Think in such a way that even if something has gone bad, then it does not matter. We always have another chance to prove ourselves. We always have that space to let people know about our capabilities. Regardless of the disappointment that occurs at first, we can keep going with a positive atmosphere. That always cheers us up. Face your fears. Every man in this universe has some kind of fear. Some fear wild animals, some fear facing crowds, and some have social anxiety. These fears are the obstacles in the way of heading towards a self-confident, boosted life. A man becomes scared of something whenever he feels like he cannot do it. To overcome these fears, it is necessary to face those fears. For example, if you have fear of facing crowds or facing so many people, then you can overcome this by facing a small number of people at first. And then the number of people can go on increasing. By facing the crowds, you can relieve your fear and can become self-confident enough. Boosting morale is essential for successful careers. For that, you have to start believing in yourself. Trusting yourself that you can do anything is a key to success. For achieving anything, you have to trust yourself that nothing is impossible in this world. Find gratitude. Some people are thankless and never get thankful for what they have. They are always complaining about not having enough bounties in their lives. If we start searching for gratitude in small things, we will be able to boost our morale more efficiently. There are some times in our lives when we start to feel unworthy and useless. We start to think that we are not capable enough for a specific task. We lose our morale and self-confidence. It is that time when we should start to realize the small bounties we have in our lives. However, being grateful in tough times is always the hardest task, but it can be achieved by controlling your emotions. It will be hard at first, but after some time it gets easier. Whenever you feel like you are falling apart and have difficulty combating the failures, then start to focus on what you have achieved already. In this way, it will be better to shift your focus onto something better and more productive. You won't be feeling empty and underconfident anymore. In concluding my whole discussion, I must say that in every area of life, self-confidence and morale are required. This is one of the best traits of a personality to acquire zenith. This is the best way to become an inspiration for others as well. Because when people see you doing a particularly tough task, they will start to believe in themselves as well. They will start to think that he or she can do it, then we can do it as well. That is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.